As much as we may want 20, 55, or 100 gallons of aquarium space to play with, we may be space limited. But that doesn't mean we can't stock something smaller. Nano tanks can be just as beautiful and full of life with the right fish and plants. So why not consider some of the following fish for a 5-gallon tank? 5-gallon fish tanks make excellent aquariums. Don't let someone convince you otherwise. I hear a lot of advice that goes something like, for the price of a 5-gallon tank you could get a 10-gallon and have more fish. And that is often true. But, sometimes, a 5-gallon tank is the better option for your apartment or home and may look better. Let's have a look 10 best fishes that easily you can keep in 5-gallon nano aquarium. Number 1. Betta fish. Betta fish, both males and females, are truly some of my favorite fish. They have attitude, they stare at you inquisitively, and they look stunningly beautiful. They also hate other betta fish, and a lot of other aquarium fish too. So having them in their own 5 gallons is perfect. Female betta fish should also be a serious consideration for your 5-gallon aquarium. Number 2. Guppies. A tank of about 4 male guppies will create a flurry of activity during feeding. And flashes of color every time you walk by. Guppies are much more energetic than betta fish. And are better for those who want to see fish swimming against the glass with excitement for their next meal. Male guppies come in a huge range of colors. From bright red tails to panda-like coloring. Number 3. Cherry shrimp. Cherry shrimp are still underrated in the aquarium hobby. These freshwater shrimp are colorful and extremely enjoyable to watch as they search for algae and food. You can have 15 to 20 cherry shrimp in a 5-gallon tank without worrying about the sudden ammonia spikes that the same number of fish would create. Number 4. Mollies. Mollies are a classic freshwater aquarium fish and have been in the hobby for a long time. They are also live bearers like guppies and will produce baby mollies at an alarming rate. Balloon mollies, red one in particular, are lively and full of personality. A 5-gallon tank can easily handle a group of about 5 male mollies. Number 5. Pygmy corydoras. Corydoras or cory catfish are small bottom-dwelling freshwater catfish. Cory catfish prefer to be in schools and 5-gallon tanks. Don't provide most species of corydoras with enough room. But, thankfully, a nano species of cory catfish exist. Corydoras habrosus, Corydoras hastatus, and Corydoras pygmaeus are 3 species of cory catfish that only reach about an inch in length. Number 6. Neon tetras. Neon tetras look like a science experiment involving jellyfish and minnows. But, the color and glow of the neon tetra is natural and helps these fish stand out in the muddy waters of their native environment. For a 5-gallon planted tank, consider a school of no more than 5 neon tetras. Neon tetras tend to be nervous fish and definitely thrive in bigger tanks. But actually make excellent fish for a 5-gallon if given plants and some decor for hiding. Number 7. Harlequin rasbora. Harlequin rasboras have an orange hue and a striking black mark about halfway down their body. Harlequins make excellent display fish for planted tanks and aquascapes because they add contrast to a tank as well as visual appeal. But, Harlequin rasboras, like neon tetras, prefer to swims. This makes harlequins less than ideal for a 5-gallon tank. Number 8. Clown killifish. Hailing from small streams in West Africa, the clown killifish is an interesting species. It doesn't even reach an inch and a half in length. Plus, they're used to shallow waters. Despite their small stature, clown killifish are natural-born micro-predators. They stick to the surface of the water to seek out insects and tiny microorganisms to eat. Number 9. Sparkling gourami. Sparkling gourami are pretty easy to please when it comes to space requirements, as they only reach a mere half-inch in size. The small stature of this species lends credence to its common name. A popular shoaling species, large swaths of fish create a glimmering display that you won't forget. These fish have a lot of colors packed into their small body. Look closely, and you'll see polka-dotted fins, stripes are red, and a bright blue eye. Number 10. Celestial pearl danio. Celestial pearl danios are a highly sought-after species with some awe-inspiring looks. The main body of the fish is deep blue, Cream-colored patches dot the body, mimicking the look of a starry night above. The fins are bright red and feature distinct black striping. A 5-gallon tank can perfectly handle them. Are enjoying this video? What is your favorite fish from this list for a 5-gallon tank? Well, let us know and we'll be hanging out with you in the comments. If you want to make sure you're not missing any of the daily value we provide, make sure to subscribe and follow us on social media. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. We uploading business ideas, amazing facts, news, and travel video on a daily basis. Thank you.